Activating your O2 SIM card, a step-by-step guide.
Hello, and welcome to our instructional video. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that might be very relevant to you if you're a new O2 customer or you've just got a new O2 SIM card. How to activate your O2 SIM card.
What is a SIM card and why does it need activation?
A SIM card, or subscriber identity module, is a tiny chip that connects your mobile device to the network provider. This card needs to be activated to link it with your specific account and phone number, so you can use it for calling, texting, and data usage. Without activation, your O2 SIM card won't work.
What information do I need?
Before starting the activation process, there are some key pieces of information that you'll need. 1. Your new O2 SIM card number. This is a long number found on the SIM card itself or the card it came attached to. It's typically 13 to 19 digits long. 2. Your O2 account details. If you're a pay monthly customer, you'll need your username and password to log into your account. Pay-as-you-go customers will need to set up an account. 3. Personal information. This might include your full name, address, date of birth, and sometimes your social security number. O2 needs these details to verify your identity. Remember to keep all this information at hand before you start the activation process to make it smooth and quick.
How to activate my O2 SIM card?
Activating your O2 SIM card involves a few simple steps. 1. Go to the O2 website or use the My O2 app. You can perform the activation process either on your computer or your smartphone. Make sure you have a good internet connection. 2. Log into your account or create a new one. You'll need your O2 account details here. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one during this step. 3. Enter your SIM card number. Make sure to enter it correctly. 4. Provide your personal information. If asked, fill in your personal details. This is for verification purposes. 5. Confirm the activation. Once you've filled in all the required details, you can confirm the activation. Remember, it may take up to 24 hours for your SIM card to get fully activated, so don't worry if you don't see immediate results. And that's it. With this video guide, activating your O2 SIM card should be a breeze. Remember, keep your SIM number, account details, and personal information at hand to speed up the process. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Happy browsing with O2!